Welcome to the A to Z quilling series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a toadstool for the letter T. To quill a toadstool, you will need 2 full red strips of quilling paper that's about 18 inches in length each. You will also need about 1.5 strips of white or off-white quilling paper, and that would be about 24 inches totally in length. You will also need 3 3-inch strips, so 3 3-inch strips of white quilling paper, right? Now let's get started with making the toadstool. To begin, what we're going to do is stick the red strips together and the white strips together so that we get 2 really long strips of quilling paper. Once we have our long strips ready, we are going to start with the red strip because that will decide the size of everything else that we are going to use. So start rolling out the red strip nice and tight and get the whole thing rolled out. Now we're going to let the circle open out nicely so that we can make a nice big moon out of it. So let your circle open up really well, right? Once you have that, then we're going to stick that down in place. Now that we have the top of our toadstool ready, we are going to make the bottom part of it, which we need either the long strip that we had of white or off-white. Now roll that out too, and what we're going to do is once we finish rolling it out, we're going to open it out just like we did the red one. The only thing is that we're going to make sure that it's a smaller circle than the red circle. So when you're opening it out, you need to make sure that the circle doesn't open out as big. The next part of our toadstool that we will need is to make the little white spots that are going to go onto our toadstool. Now for that we will need the 3 white strips that we had kept aside earlier. Now you're going to roll these out and let them open up again, so just loosen a tad little bit and then we're going to seal it off, right? So roll it out nice and tight and then let it open out just a wee bit. Now that we have all the parts of our toadstool all rolled out, the next thing we're going to do is start making the shapes so that we can put the entire toadstool together. Now we don't need the little white dots for now, so just keep those aside for now. We'll come back to these later. We are first going to work on the top umbrella of our toadstool. So take the red circle that you have, right, pick it up gently, make sure to push that towards the center, and yeah, there you go. Just adjust it a little bit if you think that your rings are not all spread out equally. Now once you have your circle in place and you're holding it nice and tight, we are going to form the circle. So we are going to push down from this side and we're going to slowly get it to curl over the thumb like that, right? So you see that? That's how you're going to do it. And then you're going to hold it again from the center here and roll it down on this side into another little pinch. Alright, so you're going to pinch it from 2 sides and let it open out from the center, so you get a little umbrella. Okay, Now for the bottom part. The bottom part of our toadstool is going to be a rectangle. So to make a rectangle, pick up your circle, hold the circle in the center and squeeze down from two sides. It's easier if you kind of hold it lengthwise between your fingers like that, and then squeeze down from one side so that you get two edges, right? Try and keep it as narrow as you can. Now turn it around again and repeat the same thing on the other side, right? So there you go. That's your rectangle. So that's going to be our toadstool. And now we're going to have to add the little white dots that we're going to add. So what we're going to do is first add the white dots, and then we'll still stick the rectangle at the end. To stick the white dots, you need to take each white dot. So take one of the white rolls that we have, put some glue on all sides, right? Because it has to stick on all four sides. So put a little glue on all the sides of the roll, and then gently insert the roll into the coils that we've made, right? So let's put that first one in there. There we go, right? So that's our first little dot. We're going to repeat the same thing for the other two also, spreading the dots out inside the umbrella. There we go. Now that we have all our little spirals or white dots inserted into the toadstool, the last part of the toadstool is putting the bottom part of the toadstool, fix it to the top. So let's put that together. There you go. That's your toadstool. Thank you for watching how to make a toadstool for the letter T as a part of the A to Z quilling series that I'm doing along with Mrs. B of Yellow Mellow Life. You can look at more videos that we've made in the series. The links are in the description below. You can also follow other videos that I do by hitting the subscribe button, or follow me on other channels and by looking at the links below. All of those are below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you have a good week. I'll see you next week with the next letter. And if you'd like to see what's going to happen next, watch out for the next video on Mrs. B's channel, which is Yellow Mellow Life. She'll be doing the letter S. Alright, bye-bye.